Blocking in carpentry is all about adding those short horizontal pieces between wall studs to keep everything solid, straight, and ready for whatever you want to attach later. So, blocking basically stops studs from twisting or bowing out over time, which helps your walls stay nice and even. It gives you a solid place to nail or screw things into, like drywall, cabinets, or shelves, so you're not just hitting empty space. When you're putting up drywall, having blocking makes sure the sheets don't flex or pop out at the seams. Plus, it can act as fire blocking if your local building codes require it, slowing down fire spread inside walls. If you're hanging heavy stuff on walls, blocking is your best friend because it handles the load instead of just drywall or plasterboard. Also, blocking helps keep insulation snug and in place between studs, so your home stays cozy. When framing stairs or ceilings, blocking keeps everything aligned and supports the structure. Basically, it's the behind-the-scenes hero that makes your walls strong and functional. One of the biggest mistakes with blocking is not putting it in the right spots, like skipping behind where you plan to hang heavy cabinets or shelves, and then you end up with weak spots that can cause damage later. Fix that by planning ahead and marking where you'll need support before framing. Another common problem is using blocks that are too short or not tightly fitted between studs, which can make them ineffective for stopping twisting. Make sure you cut blocks exactly to size and fit them snugly. Lastly, forgetting about fire blocking can get you in trouble with inspectors because it's a code thing in many places. Always check local rules and install blocking that meets fire safety standards. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and can handle blocking and framing right. Plus, it's an awesome way for contractors to connect with people looking for quality work without the hassle of endless searching.